today. I'll put the date somewhere below. But yeah, I'm going to go to the shops and get a blood test done. Avery's currently with mama baby. She's sleeping right now. So yeah, they're just watching TFC. And I'm gonna go with Mark to get my blood test done and just go to the shops. And yeah, that is the plan for today. Got our face mask on. We got this from Culture Kings. It's a bit like thin, but you can definitely just wear, what do you call those? The medical? The medical ones underneath this. Like you're supposed to help protect it. But yeah, got that. We got Daddy Marcus driving. He's representing his cousins. What do you call that? What's it? Aesthetic car detailing. So if you guys ever need some car detailing done in Sydney, just call JP. Yeah, we'll leave the details down below for you guys to check it out. Vlogger much on fake, just kidding. But yeah, anyways, we're off now to Gungahlin to get our injection done. So we're done with our blood test and it really hurts. She poked me like really deep with a needle and yeah, ouchie. Now we are off to, well, I'm actually just going back home. I'm just gonna go to my work to drop off my computers. Are you taking me with you?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to.
Just come with me, man. I'm not by myself.
Miss this quarter pounder.
Alex, did you
This is
want
the
your
first thing I'm gonna eat. Brush my hair again. I have here a delicious buffet for you. A little chevaloo.
Avy, you're gonna go feed. You're gonna breastfeed. You're gonna want milk. Oh, you have dried milk on your face. What is that? Huh? Ang dungas naman ng baby ko. She has
Hello,
dried milk on her face.
Hello, vlog.
Huh? Hi. Say hi, everyone. You're a good girl. Oh, I think she's doing something. Once her leg goes straight, she's up to something. And that face, she's doing the poop face. Oh. What are you doing, Avy? Look, see, that's what happens when she goes really straight like that. It means she's up to something. Avy, huh? Are you doing a big poopy? Are you doing a big poopy? Is it when you see Anita Alex, you want to do a big poopy? Yes. Yes. Hello. You're silly. You're cute. Isn't she cute? Do you reckon you look like mommy or daddy? Who does she look like, do you reckon, Alexis? I don't even know if she looks like me at all.
Kind of like Kuya, I guess. I think I see Kuya almost. But this says she sees you like when she's sleepy in the nose and stuff. I don't know. Hi, Avy. We can only tell in the future.
So yeah, currently feeding Avy before she has her bath. So yeah, she's here. You can't go down this way. But she's feeding. Okay, no. Okay.
So Avery has her bath in the room. She don't go in the bathtub. Filipino style of having a bath.
Binyagan. Binyagan. Yeah.
Jesus.
You like
Bless you.
You have more space for your legs, Avery.
Oo, isa wala na eh.
babalok ko siya.
She's taking the water.
Gusto niya. Hindi gusto niya yung ginamit yung gawa tayo tubig sa kanya. Sumisipa. Oh, sumisipa. Push your leg. Push. Mara.
White na. Yes na. Tapos na. Hindi ko uwak.
Hi, Avery. Oh my gosh, sneezing. Lawai came out. Excuse me. Avery just had her bath and she's freshening up now. Little bunny outfit.
Ipod mo nga, baka mahulog.
But she's going out of her clothes really quick.
Igit na, baka mahulog.
Ipod. Like, ano yan?
Ganda. Diyos ko. Oh, yan.
Hi, Avery love. Hi. Almost done pumping, and I think we got a lot of milk today actually. So one of them's pumping out or expressing out a bit more than the other, and so here we have over 150 I think, and here what's this one like 50. All in all, we probably have around about 200 mils of milk for this this expressing that we just did. So I think it's pretty much empty, and I'm going to turn it off now and try to fuel up a bit again, and then we're going to do this all over again in another 2 hours. Alex, you're so big. Excuse me. I'll say it. What? Yeah. What you were gonna say in the vlog? Nothing. I can't. I'm not that. You do look pretty fat though. Hey dude, come on, say no neck. Where's your neck? I like the view. You do? A lot of neck. So yeah, Alex is just editing our intro for our vlogs. Sneak peek. Yeah, I'm actually going to I've already uploaded some of our vlogs on IG, but I need to put on YouTube. So she's doing that now. Doing the intro for us. Right now we are just doing some YouTube, and we're eating these. What do we get? We got some brownie and caramel slice from a cafe that Mark usually orders from every day while he's at work. So he went to visit them today because he went to buy some coffee beans, and they were nice enough to gift me some caramel slice and some brownies. So thank you, Bread and Butter, Brenda Bella, for gifting us some snacks, which Alexis is eating mostly.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So our Woolworths delivery has just arrived, and I just did one of those Woolworths what is it, the instant delivery. So I ordered this about an hour and a half ago, and it's arrived, and we just got some garlic bread, we've got some yogurt and all that stuff in here, just some stuff for the week. Also ordered some Coke and stuff like that as well, and we got some mango nectar because Alex wants to make some shake, she said, so we got that. Another thing that we got is this one, which is also on sale, which is my favorite, which is a Sara Lee incredibly creamy strawberry and creams ice cream, and we got it with this mini meringue thing that Alexis always does. You probably see it a lot in our videos, but yeah, that's dessert. It's kind of like a pab smash. And then currently these Mrs. Max microwave beef pies are currently on sale. I'm gonna have one for merienda right now. But yeah, that is all the stuff that we need, that we ordered, and we're going to just pack these away. Ava's having her milk. Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Breathing. Got a milk drunk baby. Huh? You okay, Avy?
Thank you, Mommy. It's delicious.
Mom's going to be making bulang lang for dinner. So you got the pumpkin, the sitaw, and what is this? Eggplant. And currently, right now, we have here some miswa, and Mom is kind of just boiling up the pork.
para sa Bulanglang. So happy to have mom here kasi she does all the cooking right now. And I love it. Thanks, mom. Yaya girl.
Mom,
Ano?
I'd like to push her in the trolley
What is Nina Alex doing
to
to
knock her
you?
out. We're gonna travel in our flying trolley, no be?
Where are you going?
We're going to Cuarto Princesa.
Parto Princesa. Oh, see? And there's Mama. Kumakain. Oy, Cuarto Princesa. Ay ka lang dyan, girl. Oh.
She's like, oh, she's sunbathing in the truck. Thanks, Yo-Yo, for our Yo-Yo to.
Mate, what are you doing over there? Huh? You busy? Excuse me? Excuse me? Make some milk. Yes, Daddy is over there playing while me and Mommy are... No, what's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, boy. You don't want to be in the vlog anymore? No? You're tired? Yeah? What's wrong, Evie? Go to sleep. Mate, what are you doing?
Just watching.
Hmm?
I was crying earlier.
Are you crying earlier? Touching drama. What are you watching? Korean?
Yes.
Oh my. Yeah, she's watching Korean.
Good one. Watch it, guys.
What is it called?
It's okay not to be okay.
I don't even know if they can see you. I can't even see you. Anyways, we're gonna close this vlog here. So say good night. Good night.
Hello? What?
This is the life of Daddy Marcus. What do you do? What are you doing?
Just rinsed them out a little bit. I didn't sterilize, I'll sterilize the next round.
Oh yeah, well I'm gonna be using
Freshly
it.
sterilized
Bottles?
bottles.
This
Because
is
you're gonna
for,
pump in 3 hours, so
yeah, this is for expressing milk. The Medela ones.
it's going to keep, what do you call it? Keep sterilizing, you're gonna...
And then here is our bottles which we have sterilized. I'm actually going to be making a tea. So I need to heat up water. So this is the tea that I'm currently having. It's the Waleta nursing tea, and I just think it kind of helps with my lactation and producing more milk and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the tea that I got, and I got this from, I think it was Amazon. Yeah, I got it from Amazon. And another thing that I need to have tonight is my vitamins, which is the Miller's Pregnancy and Breastfeeding Gold vitamins. So I'm going to have one of those and some tea, and that is it. And also, sometimes I have this, but I'm good for today, so I don't need to have that one. Yeah. So we're going to say goodnight now. It is currently 9:40, and Avery here is hungry. She woke up. She was actually sleeping already. We thought it was going to be a straight sleep till 12, but no, she's hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight. Say goodnight, Avery.
Good night, we'll see you in 3 hours.
Yeah, we'll see you. Tomorrow is another day, and Avery's going to be 3 weeks tomorrow. Yay! Night.